All right, folks, Tuesday morning. For those of you that had President's Day off yesterday, hope you enjoyed the long weekend. We are back at it. Front and center continues to be this Russia-Ukraine crisis. No invasion, technically, as of yet. However, there's been a lot of talks back and forth between the U.S. and Russia, and some of the other U.S. allies like the EU, Germany. We're starting to see sanctions placed on Russia, notably the big pipeline out of Germany, which was shut down this morning. It's been a lot going on. We've seen the markets in the overnight session all over the place. We were down over 500 points at one point in time in the Dow Jones. We've since clawed our way back to break even as we approach the open. FX has been all over the place, particularly that euro dollar approaching that 1.14 handle at the moment. Oil, crazy, up 3% this morning, up above $93 a barrel in WTI. So volatility is certainly here. It's probably here to stay because even outside of Russia, Ukraine, we've still got a lot going on with the Federal Reserve and inflation here in the U.S. So it should provide for some great trading opportunities this week with this market movement. So everybody strap in. It's going to be a crazy week. It's probably going to be a crazy Tuesday. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's get after it. Let's trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.